Hey there, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're as passionate about yoga as I am, you know the importance of finding your flow and maintaining balance on the mat. Today, I'm here to share a game changer in my yoga practice, non-slip yoga socks. Trust me, these little wonders have completely transformed the way I experience yoga. These socks are designed with specially placed grip dots on the soles that create an unshakable connection to your mat. No more slipping and sliding around, no more fear of losing your balance. Just a solid foundation for your practice. With these socks, I've felt the difference in even the trickiest of poses. Downward dog, tree pose, and even challenging inversions become more accessible and enjoyable. Now let's talk about comfort. These socks are made from soft, breathable, and moisture-wicking materials, ensuring your feet stay dry and cozy throughout the practice. They also have silicone bands on the heel to effectively prevent slip-offs. The socks are easy to match with different kinds of shoes, and here's the bonus. They're machine washable, so no more worrying about sweaty, smelly socks. Hygiene and comfort, check. What I love most about these socks is their versatility. Sure, they're amazing for yoga, but they're also fantastic for Pilates, dance, or even just lounging around the house. So it's not just a yoga accessory, it's a holistic comfort solution for your feet. They can also be for hospital socks, floor socks, elderly care, and pregnancy to prevent falls from the stairs or floor. On a personal note, I used to struggle with balance and had to constantly adjust, but now I feel grounded, secure, and can truly focus on my practice, unlocking new levels of mindfulness and inner peace. If you're as excited as I am about enhancing your yoga journey, I highly recommend giving non-slip yoga socks a try. They've made such a significant impact on my practice, and I believe they can do the same for you. I've added the link in the description below so you can get the ones I got. They also have different colors too, if you'd like, but as you can tell from my home decor, I'm a big fan of black and white, so I got these for myself. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, whether you're an experienced yogi or just starting your journey, these socks will elevate your practice by providing balance, comfort, and confidence. It's a small investment for a big transformation. Namaste, and I'll see you on the mat.